Hi teachers and staff. Let's walk through how to create a new classroom in the staff portal. To begin, go to the navigation menu and click on Facilities. Then select Classroom to access the Room Management section. Next, click on Create New Room. This will open the Room Details form. In the Room Details section, begin by entering a unique room name. Select the appropriate inventory list from the drop-down menu to specify resources or equipment available in the room. Now, move to Set Specifications to define the number of persons the room can accommodate and add information about the room's intended use in the Suitable for field. Select the price booking rate and choose from the drop-down which rate is based on. You can also add images of the room using the Choose or Drag and Drop Image feature. Finally, once all the information is filled in and verified, click Create Room to save your new classroom to the system. After creating the room, you can view it here in the classroom list. Simple, right? I hope this helped. We'll catch you next time on ilerno.